Welcome to CyberTheo. Today, I'll show you how to quickly create a QR code. First, open your web browser and go to a free QR code generator website like qrstuff.com or qrcode-generator.com. Select the type of content you want to embed in the QR code. It could be a URL, text, email, or contact information. Enter the relevant information in the provided fields. Customize your QR code by choosing the color and design, if available. This step is optional but can make your QR code look unique. Click the Generate or Create QR Code button. Your QR code will appear on the screen. Download the QR code image by clicking the Download button. Save it to your device for easy access and sharing. And that's it. You've quickly created a QR code. For more quick tech tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to CyberTheo.